Hammond with his tribute to Evel Knievel. Here he comes. He's going to jump over a bus.
This is
He's looking down.
I jumped over a bus.
He's not exactly looking down now going, the spirit of me lives on.
Well, I'm going to do this now for this audience. I'm going to jump over 2 buses. Yeah. Thank you.
Where you go? You go back to
I'm
start.
going to run over 2 buses. Back in his head.
2 buses.
2 buses.
Yeah.
I'm going to run up around it. Right.
Right, we'll tell you what, Hammond, since it's 2 buses, we really ought to...
We'll just deal with the safety issue.
And the twin peaks, really, of...
Okay.
It's the twin peaks of health and safety of what keep Top Gear going, actually. So let's just, we're just making sure the ramp's secure and that the buses aren't sort of going to splinter your tyres or anything in any way.
You're not messing about. If I find you put that second bus further away from the first one, I'll be cross.
I promise we are not going to move it, Martin. We are not going to move the second bus any further away from the first one, alright? Right, put that in there. Do you want to put that down? No.
It's exactly as it was, Hammond. It's 2 buses. They're both still close to the edge of the ramp.
Good.
You ready?
Yes.
Right, here I come. Evel Knievel, this is for you. 2 buses. Bloody hell! You bastards! That's my time to sign!